Welcome back to Customer States. We have a lot of mechanical nightmares to get into, so let's begin. This 2020 Volvo hasn't seen an oil change in 30,000 miles or 50,000 kilometers, and you can really see just how important they are. This customer came in demanding wheel spacers and refused to be upsold on anything else, like maybe a control arm to control the vehicle from not killing you.
Amazing. A shiny new hub in there. Sheesh.
This ATV is used on a farm, and apparently the cows sit and weigh down on it, causing the entire frame to bend and just about everything to be broken because of the weight of your mom. This is the intake on an eco-friendly Ram that's practically brand new. This is because of recirculating the emissions back into the intake. This customer only wanted an oil change and told the mechanics to not waste their breath trying to upsell them on anything else, like maybe new tires. Somebody almost lost their job when they accidentally put bitumen inside of this emulsion tank. This is what it looks like. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Customer States to see more.